Hello, my name is Scamahorn, CEO of Innerspace Systems Corporation, and today I'm going to show you how to replace a battery in the Megalodon CCR. The Meg has two independent power supplies for both of the two independent electronic monitoring systems. So each battery is in a 1 atmospheric box which isolates it from the breathing loop. The Meg can use three types of batteries. It can use the typical AA cell wired up in a series battery, which is what we supply with the Rebreather, and you can order from ISC. The Meg can also use 2 lithium C cells, and the last battery can be a 9-volt battery with a wire adapter on it. In this case, I had a battery that's dropped below 5.4. I have a long dive ahead of me, and so I'm going to go ahead and replace the battery prior to entering the water. So what I've done is I've taken my multi-tool, I've unscrewed the screws from the battery lid. On the Meg battery lid, you've got this little thumb slot right here, or a finger slot, and you just put your finger in there and gently pry up. You'll see that this has an O-ring going around the top of it. That ensures that it's gas tight and of course waterproof. You can look inside the battery box right here. We have a piece of foam. I'll just remove the foam, put it off to the side, and there's my battery sitting there. Now I can gently get in there with my finger and pull it out, or I can just simply shake it and let gravity help me out. And I'm going to take it out, and you see how the battery's coming out with the Molex connector off to the side. And I'm going to take my fingers onto the plastic connector and gently remove. I'm going to go ahead and take my new battery. I'm going to check the date, and I can write down on here the date of installation and put my initials. Go in and reconnect it. And gently insert the battery and the Molex connector in together. Put it back together the way I found it. Foam goes on top. Make sure there's no wires that can be pinched by the battery lid. Reinstall the screws, and you have to push down a little bit because remember, you're compressing air. Take your multi-tool. How tight do you have to put these? You just put these down just until they're snug. Don't over screw or else you'll strip the thread. Last thing I'll do is I'll turn it on, and I can go into my handset, verify that I've got power, verify I've got adequate voltage. Go into system monitor. I got 7.9. That's a brand new battery. That's how you change a battery inside the Megalodon CCR. Thank you for your time.